Okay, next up is question 4b. A circle has an equation x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 4y minus 15 equals 0. Finding the centre and the radius here should have been easy enough. Okay, so I'm going to draw out what I have. I have a circle with a tangent. All I know about the tangent is it's mx plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. The circle, I know the centre point, and I know the radius. Okay, remember that the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So here the perpendicular distance is equal to the radius. Okay, so I know that the perpendicular distance of mx plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 to the centre point 1 minus 2 is equal to root 20. Okay, so I'm going to use my perpendicular distance formula, which tells me that distance, which is now root 20, is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c over a squared plus b squared. Okay, from my equation I know that a is equal to m, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to minus 7. Okay, I know my point 1 minus 2 is my x1, y1, and I know that d is root 20. So root 20 is equal to a, which is now m, by x1, plus b times y1 minus c, over the square root of 1 squared plus minus 2 squared. Okay, which leaves me with root 20 is equal to m, and 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11. So m minus 11 over, and apologies here, this one should be m squared because it's a, so a is m, over m squared plus 4. Okay, minus 2 squared is 4. At this point, I have square roots that I'd like to get rid of. So I'm going to square absolutely everything. That will get rid of that. That will get rid of that. And at this point now, I've got 20 is equal to m minus 11 squared. I know that this is definitely positive because it's squared, so I can get rid of the modulus. M squared plus 4. Okay, I then want to remove my bottom line. Generally, don't work with fractions. What I do to one side, I do to the other. Okay, so now I've got 20m squared plus 80 is equal to m squared minus 22m plus 121 when I multiply out this bracket. Okay, this is leaving me with a quadratic equation. I'm just going to go up here to finish it. When I rearrange this quadratic equation, it will give me 19m squared plus 22m minus 41, okay, equals 0. And you can solve this however you want. You can attempt using fractions and brackets. I would probably go straight to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 ac over 2a. Okay, regardless, you will get two values of m. M will equal 1 and m will equal minus 41 over 19. Okay, so the brackets will actually be relatively easy enough to solve here. And then you will have two tangents. So remember, your tangent was mx plus 2y minus 7. So you'll have 1x plus 2y minus 7 equals 0. Or you'll have minus 41 over 19x plus 2y minus 7 equals 0. And you can multiply by 19 to get rid of that if you want.